Hey guys, welcome back to Studenomics TV. I'm your host, Trevor Parkins Embarrass, and this guy is playing on his computer. Are you networking or something?
Yeah, I'm just sending out 10 generic emails to people to network. I'm asking them to network with me right now.
Are you copying and pasting those?
Oh, of course.
You don't want to give a personalized message?
No, not at all, not at all. I'm networking, leave me alone.
Do you at least make sure to change their name?
No! Guys, all bad acting aside.
That was alright. Okay.
Today we're talking about networking secrets that nobody will ever tell you.
Well, one secret.
Okay, we'll lead to more conversation. What's this networking secret?
That if you help out people, they may just help you out in return. And when I say help out, doing somebody a service and sending them an invoice, you're not doing them a favor.
No.
But...
Exactly. So as you were talking, I was just staring at Never Eat Alone. That's actually my favorite book about this stuff. That and how to win friends and influence people. The one thing that everyone gets wrong about networking is that they make it so transaction-based and they use the word networking, which is the stupidest word in the world, which I hate to use even in this video, but we are just because that's what people search for. Mm-hmm. There's nothing more annoying than getting an email. Like this happens to me every single day where people are like, hey, let's network. I'm like, what? Or like,
let's network. That's what they say to you?
Yeah, literally, I'll show you after.
Is that kind of like saying, let's date?
Yeah.
Like...
Were you asking me out?
No, I think they are.
Or like you get invited to networking events, and networking events are the worst thing in the world. It's just a bunch of weirdos asking each other, like pretty much walking around with the resumes in their hand, like, hey, let's network. I don't want to network with you.
Bunch of robots?
Yeah, a bunch of robots. So the best, like you said, the best networking tip is to not be a networking schmoozer, right?
Yeah, or a machine about it.
Yeah.
Well, I think it ties into the same thing as, like, making friends. Help out people, let them like you. Because if you're just being a cold businessman and like, I'm here to network,
yeah,
be like, this guy's no fun. But if you actually help people out...
Well, tell us your story about how it worked out for you recently.
Well, this actually happened a few times, but the best example just happened yesterday. Well, okay, so the start of the story is like a few months back, because I do my transit history presentations, right?
Yeah, they're awesome.
You haven't even been to one. I'm just kidding.
I'm trying to help you out. I give you a softball.
The point is, so there was a guy, elder man, who came out and he said, "Oh, thank you so much, Trevor. I'm a trained nerd, but I didn't know all of that. Thank you so much." So I'm like, "Oh, all right." I enriched the guy. And then yesterday, he calls me up and says, "Listen, I want you to have my entire model railroad set, all this Lego track." He came and dropped it off my house. There's like thousands and thousands of dollars in Lego track, and he's like, "Trevor, I'm getting old. I want you to have it."
Wow.
And he didn't charge me anything, and I just feel like I enriched him, and I got enriched back.
Yeah, imagine you emailed him and said, "Hey, we networked yesterday. Let's network more."
Or please donate your stuff to me because no, I just did my thing, and yeah.
Yeah, so that's the thing with networking. It's you have to give value. You have to be a helpful person. You have to stay in touch with people. You have to offer them help first before you can take. A lot of people want to just take. I have friends, like I said, I have emails. People message me, and they want to take. Yeah. You always want to offer value first. And the more successful, more popular, more famous someone is, the more you have to offer them to get in their on their side.
Well, you don't want to just use people.
Yeah. And you don't want to email someone like I had someone actually message me about a few months back. And the guy's like, I'd like to network with you about real estate. I want to ask you real estate questions.
People keep using that term.
Yeah.
I want to network with.
And then he's like, tell me what day you wanted to meet at the coffee shop. Like he gave me no value. He just wanted to use me for all this information. And then it just came out so bad. And I'm like, I don't know you. I don't know who you are. You've done nothing for me. And why should I just meet you somewhere, take a day off to go give you free advice, See,
I almost feel like in that case, it doesn't help to be too formal because it's like, I'd like to network. When can we meet to network, sir? I need to take all your information, sir. No, in that case, you might want to make friends first or joke around.
Especially if you don't know the person. If you know someone and you want to kind of get mentored by them, then yeah, you offer them coffee. Like, I want to take you out for coffee, for lunch, for dinner. It'll cost you $5 to $20.
Yeah, if you can get chatting.
And here's a secret. Most rich people, they'll pay the bill.
Yeah, but don't.
You know what I mean? I'm just saying.
Don't show up with an empty wallet.
No, you know what I mean. Though.
Just be.
Yeah, try to offer value. Offer them a coffee. You offer them a coffee, or you offer them take them out for dinner. You offer something. Yeah. Don't just take, because that will not get you anywhere.
People won't like that.
And stop using the word network in your emails. It's weird. It's awkward. Nobody wants to network with you. People don't do that.
But yeah, so our original point though, if you help out others, chances are they'll help you in return. And if they don't get mad. Like, oh, I did that guy a favor, and then immediately repay it.
Yeah.
Because
I bought you a coffee yesterday.
Yeah, don't.
Now I need your free advice.
But also don't just do favors and expect to be like repaid immediately. Like, I feel like if you do good things, chances are you will get repaid. But don't get mad if you didn't, because then you're not being very sincere.
I agree, Alan. On this note, I'm not one to be corny, but what you put out into the world, you get back. So if you put out zero value into the world, you'll get back zero from the world. So if you put out millions of dollars of value, you'll eventually get that money back.
Yeah, well, no, it's not corny. I've heard that too. If you enrich others, you get riches in return.
Okay, I was supposed to end it. That was all about you.
Yeah, because I had a good one.
Thanks for watching. Let us know your best networking tips or what you do to make new friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Boom.